Okay, Om Swastiastu, student.
Om Swastiastu.
How are you this morning? Good?
Thank you. And you?
Well, I'm great, thank you. So today we will meet again in our English class. And before we start our lesson, so let's start with the prayer. Indira, please lead the prayer.
Attention please. Let's pray together.
Okay, so now let's continue to sing our Indonesian song. So I will ask Ari Oktapiani, just lead the song.
Yes, sir. Hiduplah Indonesia Raya.
Thank you, Ari. So, student, are you ready to learn English today? Sudah siap?
Ready?
Oke, sudah dengar suara saya? Have you heard my voice?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so don't forget to sign in your attendance list on the Moodle account, okay?
Right, sir.
Okay, student, do you remember what we have discussed in our last meeting?
Yeah.
Okay, so I will ask Dewa, Gede, Eka, Satria, Wibawa. What we have discussed in our previous meeting?
News item text, sir.
Okay, news item text. Dewa Ayu, Kartika.
We learn report speed like direct speed and indirect speed.
Okay, in our last meeting also we learned about reported speech, the direct and indirect speech. Okay, thank you. And now we are talking about the news item. So, have you heard any news this day? Sudah pernah dengar berita akhir-akhir ini?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what kind of news do you heard? So I will ask Edi Ermawan. Berita apa yang kamu dengar akhir-akhir ini?
Coronavirus.
Coronavirus. Okay. So how about the other? Yang lain? Yoga Okta, please.
I heard news about the Indonesian badminton team taking part in badminton cup match in Finland.
Okay, so you heard about the national badminton team. Okay. What is your favorite badminton player? Who is your favorite badminton player, Yoga?
Kevin Sanjaya.
Kevin Sanjaya. Okay. Raditya, please. Do you have heard any news this day?
Yeah, I heard about Taliban conquer Afghanistan, sir.
Sorry?
Terrorist attack Afghanistan.
Terrorist attack Afghanistan. Okay. Well, that's good. So all of you have heard about news. So we will discuss about news item today. And before we start to our learning activity, I will tell you the goals and the indicator of our learning activity. Adapun tujuan pembelajaran yang akan kita capai hari ini adalah melalui tayangan video yang nanti akan Bapak tayangkan, kalian diharapkan mampu menganalisis elemen-elemen dan mampu menentukan struktur dari news item text video tersebut. Okay? So, are you ready? Okay, good. So now I will tell you the learning process today. The first, I will play the video. I will play it twice, and then you must answer the question on LKPD Activity 1. There are 15 questions. It is about the video. Okay? Are you ready? I will play the video now.
Bali, the crown jewel of Indonesia's tourism and one of the world's top tourist destinations. But today, the usually bustling island is eerily quiet. Thousands of people working in the tourism industry have lost their jobs.
You can imagine after 58 years, it's only this time we have to temporarily close the property. It's very sad and very hard.
The island resort has survived a series of tragic events, including the deadly terrorist attacks in the early 2000s, the outbreak of SARS, and the eruptions of the sacred Mount Agung. But now, it will have to come to terms with yet another calamity, which has devastated economies all around the world. Built in 1962, Tanjung Sari Hotel is one of the oldest hotels on the island. With no tourists and no revenue since April this year, most of the hotel's 105 staff have been asked to stay at home. Some have been working for the hotel for the last 30 years.
Many of the guests come to Tanjung Sari because of the staff. Between the guests and the staff, they have an emotional connection. One of the guests sent me email and they're willing to give about 10,000 US dollars to the staff. Because of the staff is our key assets and we are not going to let them also die basically. We keep even the contracted employees.
Pianist Dodot Somantriamojo used to perform at hotels and other venues before the pandemic hit Bali.
Di area saya main piano, tuning piano, dan total. Yang paling tidak kita mempersiapkan ini lebih panjang.
To survive, Dodot is now helping his wife to sell mie ayam, or chicken noodles. Once considered a pioneer of tourism in Bali, Niwayan Murni opened the first restaurant in Bali's cultural center of Ubud in 1974.
All my small business closed, like restaurant, the shop, the spa, the small hotel is closed. I am thinking what can we do to survive with our staff and my big family. And we tried to do online shop, many other things. I have no idea. That's what the big worry, because we don't know when we going to be able to open.
Even if the government plans to reopen tourist destinations, the question is, when will international commercial planes start to fly again? Will passengers return in droves?
Will there be travelers coming? We don't know. The tourism can start moving when the airline's flying. That's basically.
Okay, student, have you done it? Sudah selesai?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So now we will discuss the LKPD on activity 1. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so who would like to answer number 1? Please raise your hand. Indira, please.
The question is, how was Bali described on the video? The answer is Bali, the crown jewel of Indonesian tourism and one of the world's top tourist destinations.
Okay, that's good, Ari. And then let's continue to the question number 2. So here we have Dewa Ayu Kartika, please.
Question number 3 is, what were the tragic events that Bali can survive? And the answer is the deadly terrorist attack in the early 2000s, the outbreak of SARS, and the eruption of the sacred Mount Agung.
Okay, that's good. Thank you, Dewa Ayu. And then let's continue to the question number.
The question number 5 is, what did happen to the hotel since April? The answer is, no tourists and no revenue.
And then the next question. We have Dewa Gede, please.
Question number 8. Where did he usually perform?
What's your answer?
He usually perform at hotel and other venues.
He usually perform at?
Hotel and other venues.
Okay, good. And then the next question. So we have Kartika Pratiwi, please.
The question number 9 is what did happen with his job? And the answer is he lost his job as a pianist and piano tuner.
Okay, he lost his job. Okay, very good. Okay, next. Question number 10, we have
Question number 12. What did Ryan Murni say? The answer is Ryan Murni said, "Oh, my small business are closed. The restaurant, like the restaurants, the shops, the spa, the small hotel is closed. And I think what can I do to survive with my staff and my big family? And we try to do online shop, many other things, and I don't have idea. That's the big word it," said her.
Okay, thank you, Yoga. Okay, so thank you. That's all the activity 1 that we have discussed, and all of you have answered correctly. So that means that you understand what's the content of the video. Okay, thank you very much. You did good job. And now we will discuss to the second activity. I will divide you into 2 groups, so I will make a room for your group and you can discuss the video, which one is the headline, which one is the newsworthy of the video, and you analyze the series of events and the quote on the video. Okay? Ari group, please join to the room 1, okay? And Indira group, join to the room 2. Oke, silakan join ke room masing-masing. Oke, let's join. Hello group 1, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
What did you get on your discussion? So
We discussed about the headline, newsworthy, summary of event, and quotes of source from a news item from the
okay, so based on the video, have you find the headline? What is the headline?
Yes, sir. The headline is crisis in Bali Paradise. The COVID-19
Okay,
impact.
crisis in Bali Paradise based on COVID-19 effect. Okay, good. And how about the newsworthy? Have you got the newsworthy of the video?
Newsworthy about the video. Bali, the crown jewel of Indonesia, tourist and one stop the world stop tourist destination. The islands resort survives of a series of tragic events, including the deadly terrorist attacks in the early access, the outbreak of SARS, and the eruption of the sacred Mount Agung.
Okay, so that's the newsworthy. Okay. Okay, now after newsworthy, what did you find? Setelah newsworthy, apa yang kalian temukan?
We find the summary of
Okay, the
event.
summary of event. What are they?
Summary of event is with in 1962, Tanjung Sari Hotel is one of the oldest hotel on the island, no tourists and no revenue since April this year.
The hotel is no occupancy. Next. Okay.
Most of the hotel's 105 staff have been asked to stay at
Okay,
home.
the staff.
And Mr. Dodot
Okay, next.
Mr. Dodot Sumantriatmojo is a pianist used to perform at hotels and other venue before the pandemic hit Bali. But now he's lost his job as a pianist and piano tuner. And to survive, he helping his wife to sell mie ayam and chicken noodle. And the last new Wayan Murni, he is one considered a pioneer of tourism in Bali and also the restaurateur and hotel owner. And on this condition, he tried to do online shop and many other things.
Okay, thank you. Dewa Ayu Kartika Pratiwi. That's the summary of event. You say that completely. And then after the summary of event, what did you find? Setelah summary of event, apa yang kalian temui? Okay, Yoga, please. Okay, so thank you for the group 1. Okay, so please prepare again for your presentation. So I will come to the group 2. Okay, goodbye.
Goodbye, sir.
Hello, group 2. Okay, so have you finished? Have you discussed something in this group?
Yes.
You have finished
Okay,
it.
so what have you discussed in this group?
It talks about the
Uh-huh.
newsworthy, summary of event, and quotes and source of the video that have to us.
Okay, so you have discussed about the structure of the video. Okay, so I would like to know, so what is the headline of the video based on this group opinion? Okay.
I will answer. I will answer it. The headline this video is a crisis in Bali Paradise because pandemic COVID-19.
Okay, crisis in Bali because of COVID-19. Okay, thank you, Raditya. And then after the headline, what did you find?
The newsworthy.
Okay, so what is the newsworthy of the video?
The newsworthy is Bali, the crown jewel of Indonesian tourists and one of the world's top tourist destination. But today, the usually bustling island is utterly quiet. Thousands of people working in the tourist industry have lost their jobs.
Okay, so some of the people in Bali who work in tourist industry have lost the job. Okay. Okay, student. Thank you for your discussion. I have joined to your group, and then you have find the structure of the video. So now I will invite one of your member group to present what is you have on your discussion, so the other group can analyze. Okay? So let's start. Who'd like the first group? Group 1 would like to present it? Siapa yang mau mempresentasikannya? Okay, Kartika Pratiwi, please.
Oh, I want to present what we have. Visit in Bali Paradise, the COVID-19 impact. Bali, the crown jewel of Indonesian tourism and one of the world's top tourist destinations. But the Island resort has survived a series of tragic events, including the deadly terrorist attack in early 2000, the outbreaks of SARS, and the eruption of the Spirit Mount Agung. Built in 1962, Tanjung Sari Hotel is one of the oldest hotels on the island, no tourists and no revenue since April this year. Most of the hotel's 105 staff have been asked to stay at home. Afriyadi said many of the guests come to Tanjung Sari because of the staff, and between the guests and the staff, they are have an emotional connection. Mr. Dodot Sumantriatmojo is a pianist used to perform at hotel and other venues before the pandemic hit Bali. But now he lost his job as a pianist and piano tuner. To survive, he helping his wife to sell mie ayam or chicken noodle. Dodot Sumantriatmojo said, I have lost my job as pianist, piano tuner. They are completely gone. We are expecting the situation to drag on. Niwayan Murni, she is considered a pioneer of tourism in Bali, and she also a restaurateur and a hotel owner. On this condition, she tried to do online shop and many other things. Wayan Murni said, all my small business are closed, like a restaurant, the shop, the spa, and the small hotel is closed. So that is all we got from the discussion, sir.
Okay, to Ayu Kartika from the group 1. So you have present a news item, that's good news item, complete with its structure. And then I will ask the group 2. Group 2, who would like to present it?
Yes, sir. Let me present about what we have from the video.
Okay, please, Ari Oktaviani.
Crisis in Bali Paradise, the COVID-19 impact, and the struggle to survive. Bali, the crown jewel of Indonesian tourists and one of the world's top tourist destinations. But today, the usually bustling island is eerily quiet. Thousands of people working in the tourism industry have lost their jobs. The island resort has survived a series of tragic events, including the deadly terrorist in the early 2000s, the outbreak of SARS, and the eruption of the sacred Mount Agung. But now it will have to come to terms with yet another calamity which has devastated economies all around the world. And Tanjung Sari Hotel, the one of the oldest hotels in Bali, with no tourists and no revenue since April this year. And most of the hotel's 105 staff have been asked to stay at home, and some of them have been working for the hotel for the last 30 years. And Afriyadi Purnomo, the manager of Hotel Tanjung Sari, said, many of the guests come to Tanjung Sari because of the staff. Between the guests and the staff, they have the emotional connection. One of the guests sent me an email and they are willing to give about 10,000 US dollar to the staff because of the staff is our key asset. We are not going to let them also die basically. We keep even the contract employees, he said. And also Dodot Sumantriatmojo, also the pianist, he usually performed at hotels and other venues before the pandemic hit Bali. And to survive, Dodo is now helping his wife to sell chicken noodles. And he said, I've lost my jobs as a piano turner. They are completely gone. We are expecting the situation drag on.
Okay, thank you, Ari Oktaviani. So, both of you, I think you read a news item text good and clearly, and all part of the news content complete in your news item text. Okay, very good. So, I think that's all about the lesson today. Based on our goal that you are able to determine the structure of the news on the video, I think you have done it. And before we close, I will invite three students to review what we have discussed in this meeting. Okay, who would like to review? Indira, please. What we have discussed today.
Okay, let me make the conclusion of our meeting today. So we have learned about news item by video. It is Crisis in Bali Paradise, the COVID-19 impact. The main topic is the struggle to survive in pandemic period.
Okay.
And after we watch the video, teacher make us into the group, and then we discuss about the structure of the video, like headline, newsworthy, summary of event, and the last one is food and source. And the last one is one of the participants from the group presenting the news item that we have discussed. Thank you.
Okay, so that's very good, Indira Kirani. Thank you very much. And also, Indira said that you determine the structure of the video. So, how many structure of the video do you find? Okay, the others? What structure of the video? Jadi apa aja? Dewa Ayu, Kartika Pratiwi, please.
The structure from the video is headline,
Okay.
newsworthy event,
Newsworthy event.
summary of event,
Quote.
quote and source.
Okay, so I would like to ask also, what is headline? Apa itu headline?
From my opinion, headline is the mind of the item.
Mind of the
Item.
item. Okay. Yang lain? The others? Indira?
Okay, in my opinion, the headline is the main topic that we have to discuss in that video.
Okay, the main topic, or you can also say that the title of the video, ya, judulnya. Okay, the next, the structure you say that there is newsworthy. So what is newsworthy? Pratiwi?
From my opinion, newsworthy event is recount the event in summary form.
Okay, recount the event. So on the video, you recount what is the event on the video. Okay. Okay. Next, you say that the series of event. What is the series of event? How about the boys? What is the summaries of event? Okay, Indira, what is the summary of event?
In my opinion, summary of event is the conclusion of the all activity that happened in the video.
The conclusion. How about the other? Okay, I think the series of the event is not the conclusion, because the conclusion of the series of event you must write it on the newsworthy. Jadi rangkuman dari event-event itulah newsworthy yang tadi sudah dibahas, ya. Terus series of event itu merupakan the event itself, kejadian-kejadian itu sendiri yang dijabarkan secara detail. Okay? Understand?
Yes.
Okay, and the last, quote. What is quote? Or the source?
Quote and source is comment by participants, experts on the event.
Okay. Quote is a comment, yeah? Comment by the person on the video or participant on the video, okay? Okay, so I think enough for today. So thank you for joining us today. And After this, I will share a link for formative test that you should do to know your ability in mastering the topic today. The link I will give on your account Moodle. Okay, do you have any question?
No, that's enough, sir.
Okay, if no questions, I will close. So, Indira, please lead the prayer.
Okay, before we leave the meeting, it's better for us to pray for a moment. Let's pray together. Finish.
Okay, so thank you for today and see you.
See you, sir.
Okay, have a nice day.
Have a nice day too.